One question you may have is how much liability insurance are nursing homes in Illinois required to carry? The answer may actually really surprise you. My name is Barry Doyle. I'm a lawyer in Skokie, Illinois, practicing nursing home abuse and neglect work throughout the state of Illinois. I'm also the author of a free report called Built to Fail, which describes why the nursing home business model ultimately produces unnecessary injuries and deaths for nursing home residents, and it's available for free download from my website. So to answer the question, how much liability insurance are nursing homes in Illinois required to carry? The answer is none. They aren't required to carry liability insurance at all, which is really shocking in light of the fact that as owners of cars, we're all required to carry at least $25,000 worth of insurance, which in truth really isn't enough to cover you if you're involved in any kind of substantial accident at all. But here we have nursing homes who are charged with caring for some of our most vulnerable residents, and they aren't required to carry any at all. Fortunately, that's a situation that I've come across relatively rarely in the work that I've done representing victims of nursing home abuse and neglect. Many nursing homes are, in fact, well insured, carrying insurance policies with $1 million or more worth of coverage. However, there are some that have far less in the way of insurance, and in fact, that insurance isn't really quite what it sounds like at the outset, because they are actually what's called an eroding policy, which means that the amount of coverage drops as they spend more money on lawyers and experts and so forth defending the case. And I have had cases where the nursing home had $100,000 worth of insurance on an eroding policy, which basically means that they are insured for the cost of paying their lawyers and not much more. So one of the things that's important as a nursing home abuse and neglect lawyer is to understand what the financial situation is regarding the nursing home in terms of how much insurance coverage they have, as well as the organizational structure of the nursing home, to understand what other entities are pulling money out of the nursing home and how those are related, and potentially how they can be brought into the case. This is why when you are looking at hiring a lawyer who does nursing home abuse and neglect work, you really don't want to hire somebody who's a dabbler. This is something that requires a lot of skill, a lot of background in handling these kinds of cases. Hope this has been informative. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want any other information, please feel free to reach out to us. Our number is 312-263-1080, or you can find us on the web at www.accidentlawillinois.com. My name is Barry Doyle. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.